At the end of a long and private driveway, hidden amongst the century-old trees, is the stunning 18A Westmount Park Road. Inspired by Frank Lloyd Wright's timeless style, this contemporary gem features 4+1 bedrooms, 3,000 square feet of windows, and unparalleled luxury. Nestled in a secluded Muskoka-like setting, the approach to the house enhances the estate's mystique as it cannot be seen from the road. The 4-car garage is the first structure to greet guests at the end of the driveway, with the extraordinary main residence bringing up the rear. The manor house itself is an outstanding creation designed to meld seamlessly into the natural setting. The foyer sets the magnificent tone for the rest of the house, featuring custom, oversized, crushed marble baked-on porcelain tiles, as well as a matte Bernanke mirror and a gorgeous walnut floating staircase from the famed craftsman Junie Osterma of Osprey Ltd. The entrance hall is definitely breathtaking. Oversized, surrounded by windows and featuring herringbone-patterned floors, the living room is a fabulous spot for formal entertaining. It includes a conversation area as well as an audio-visual nook for watching TV or movies. The dining room is a spacious area created to blur the lines between inside and outside. Floor-to-ceiling windows with a walkout to a terrace give the room a sense of grandeur and style. The custom kitchen is a modern marvel of culinary excellence. It boasts a 10-foot center island made with a leather-finished granite imported from Brazil, while the waterfall design includes a thick, natural walnut, movable counter as the bar eating area. Professional-grade appliances, a granite backsplash, and a Caesar stone countertop all complement the sleek cabinetry perfectly, while a large pantry provides ample space for storage. The adjoining sitting area is a chic spot for casual conversations among friends and includes a walkout to the deck. The office is a gorgeous spot for taking care of business. It features custom built-ins, a herringbone-patterned floor, and a walkout to the terrace. Light-filled with oversized windows that bring nature inside the home boasts fabulous finishes, superior craftsmanship, and exceptional luxury. The master bedroom is a luxuriously appointed suite, featuring a large walkout to the terrace and a fantastic view of the ravine. It also includes a sitting area, as well as a fabulous walk-in closet with organizers. The ensuite is a spa-like space, featuring a seamless glass shower stall, a freestanding tub, and a custom vanity lit by lovely light fixtures. The lower level of the home features a massage room, as well as a fitness center and a steam shower, with waterfall showerhead and body spray fixtures and a marble and mosaic floor. A fabulous floor-to-ceiling glass wine cellar with suspended wine bottles adds a striking focal point to the entertaining area, where a kitchenette with a large island are a convenient spot for relaxed fun with family or friends. The grounds boast an incredible multi-level deck that gives access to a 17-foot swim spa, as well as an oversized L-shaped swimming pool.